Just look at this sweet and adorable butterfly bouquet. Isn't this looking great? So, if you want to make this at home, stay tuned to this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the another episode of Last Book Page channel. Myself Rishi and today we are going to create a butterfly bouquet. So let's get started. First of all, we need butterfly template which I made from PixArt photo editing app, and then I xerox the print from local color xerox shopping. After printing the template, laminate it with transparent 2-inch tape. As you can see, cut the butterfly in small pieces with a sharp scissor. After cutting the template, you may need wooden sticks. You can purchase from cake store. Use a hot glue to stick your butterfly to wooden stick like this. After making that, take a plastic sheet that you can purchase from flower shopping or stationery. Cut them in square pieces. So take one piece of the plastic sheet, fold them as I do. Take one wooden stick in the between of the plastic and do the same thing as I am showing. Secure the folded sheet with the sticking tape. After doing this, take a purple paper. Cut it in a square shape. Again, fold it like I am showing. Before covering the bouquet with purple paper, take this lighting. You have to put under the bouquet so that it looks good. Secure the lighting with the transparent tape. Again, use white color butter paper to cover your bouquet. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. जिन्होंने भी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर रखा है उनको कॉलेज से थैंक यू. जिन्होंने भी नहीं कर रखा आराम से करियो, कोई आफत नहीं आ रही है. So see you in the next video.